we try to mirror it, pero hindi kami nagmamadali. We make sure first that all the parang mechanics.
Viva Movie Box. So, with the success po of our Viva Max and Viva One, si Boss Vic decided to venture into another platform. Ito po yung tinatawag na Viva Movie Box. So, nauuso po ngayon yung vertical dramas, vertical shorts. So, ito po yung aming foray into this kind of platform. Ito po, mahina po. Mic test. So, ito po ay launch namin sa November 10. It coincides with Viva's 44th anniversary. So, ito yung aming bagong offering namin. We're in mga bagong kwento at mga bagong klase ng content naman ang makikita nito. Bite-size. As you saw kanina dun po sa sizzle reel, iba-ibang klaseng drama naman po ang mapapanood natin.
Questions na over?
I'm just wondering, yung pag-venture into a different...
Sorry po.
Mahina.
Jenna mahina.
Hello? Ayun, mas malakas na. Okay. Curious lang ako ba, yung pag-venture ng Viva into different platform aside from cinema, hindi yan makaka-affect sa production of full-length films?
Hindi naman po, sa tingin namin, maganda po that we're also able to offer ibang klase naman ng content na pwedeng mapanood ng ating viewers. Kasi magkaiba naman po siya. Siyempre pag sa cinema, upo ka po doon, nunod ka, full attention, dito po yung mabilisan. Mabilisan lang, pwede mong panoorin habang naglalakad ka, nag-aantay ng MRT, or nag-aantay ng elevator, ganyan po. So, ano lang siya, mas pasok po siya sa kung paano gumalaw ang mga tao sa ngayon. Opo. Anytime, anywhere.
So may certain niche siya.
Opo.
Thank you. May mga question, Jim Lali.
Yeah,
Yaan.
nabenta mo. Sa
Subukan mo na.
Yaan.
Hindi, nabenta mo. Okay, Val, yeah.
Yes po.
Ay, magkakaling mo. Ako,
Yes,
ikaw pinaka-close ko. Hindi, Val, kanina you mentioned, this is in time for the anniversary of Viva. Ito yung pinakamalaking event niyo for the anniversary. Kasi ako, I still remember, nung bata pa ako, inaabangan ko lagi pag November, ang mga handog ng Viva, di ba? Ito yung buong November, talagang puno-puno kayo ng movies, di ba? May time pa na si Sharon, si Nora, si Vilma, may movie, di ba? Pero, ito yung pinakamalaking for November, for the anniversary.
Parang ito po, yes. Panibagong platform para po sa ating lahat. Yes, ito po ang aming big event for our anniversary.
Okay. Val, naniniwala ka? Or kaya ba may ganito na kayong platform? Kasi naniniwala kayo o wala na ang TV?
Hindi naman po. I think po, iba-ibang market, iba-ibang platform. So gusto lang po namin na we are able to reach as much people as we can. Kasi po, yung iba, syempre, mas gusto nila sa TV, yung iba, mas gusto nila sa mobile, yung iba, mas gusto nila long form streaming, yung iba naman na wala masyadong oras, mabilisan lang. Ito po yung Viva Movie Box. Kasi mga 1, 2 minutes, 3 minutes lang siya per episode.
Ang bongga ng Viva, talagang kung anong nauuso, talagang sumusunod kayo. Kasi iba masyado silang conservative eh. Hindi sila sasama basta-basta sa mga ganitong platforms, di ba? Pero kayo, lagi kayong always open kayo sa mga pagbabago. Di ba? Tama, Vincent?
Oo, pero kahit kahit si Boss Vic quite adventurous sa pag-venture sa mga bagong negosyo. Sinisigurado muna niya ang grupo na na-test na ng ibang mga nauna. If you see something successful, we try to mirror it, pero hindi kami nagmamadali. We make sure first that all the parang mechanisms are there bago namin i-launch. So far, okay naman kasi nung pumasok kami sa streaming, we had zero knowledge at the time of that business. So along the way, inaral namin, syempre maraming failures. Pero eventually naman, natupok namin. And then that led us to launch yung second platform, streaming platform, yung Viva One. Then nakita namin na again, successful, nag-resonate sa young adult na market. Nakapag-launch kami ng mga bagong artista na nag-excite ang public. Then at the same time, nakapag-create kami ng mga hit recordings born out of those mga series. So ito is another test for us. At nakita namin yung success ng mga China platforms, China-made platforms, Drama Box, Real Shorts. So parang I think kaya kaganyan dahil di ba nasanay na tayo because of TikTok na vertical na natin pinapanood. It's so inconvenient to watch horizontally a movie. So I think kung nauso, naging accepted yung vertical na videos, parang naging natural na extension yung kakaroon ng long form pero chapter-based na mga series. So yung konsepto ng iba movie box.
Yeah.
Pwede siyang weekly na subscription. Pwede rin tingi. So bili ka lang per chapter. So I think by next week we will announce the pricing. So very affordable and parang very appropriate dun sa very mobile na market.
Pero yun, Vincent and Val, ang bongga, kasi ang Viva One, siyempre, alam naman natin, yung mga young superstars ngayon, kasi Viva One, mga sikat talaga. So eto, inaasahan nyo na ang Viva Movie Box, eto yung mga susunod na bubongga, magiging viral stars yan, superstars.
Sana po.
Thank you.
Actually, outside of yung mga bagong artista, gusto rin namin bigyan ng opportunity, magagaling na artista na hindi nakapag-take ng lead sa mga pelikula o sa mga series. Makahanap sila ng bagong calling, mapansin sila ulit. That's why you see mga veteran actors, mga dating sikat, bigyan opportunity mixed with yung mga current exciting talent. So, at ito naman is part of our parang playing in building up and sustaining yung success ng mga artists ng Viva Artist Agency. Sama-sama, bago, veterans, ayun. Yung mga nagka-second year, ngayon pinipibita na ni Valerie. So, maganda dahil busy lahat ng mga artist namin.
Ang dami ng platforms kaya ang dami na naging sa DAA. Bongga, oo. Pero yan, congratulations. Eto, magtatanong daw si Nikki Wang, the editor ng Manila Standard. Pang ano ito, pang-awas na president na today.
Thank you, John Allen. Since per episode only runs for 1 minute to 3 minutes, is it safe to say that production-wise, it's let's say less expensive to produce vertical series compared to producing, a full-blown series?
Actually, hindi po. It's still quite pricey. Doesn't mean na it's shorter, it's cheaper. Kasi we still need to produce about 50, 60, 70 episodes for one movie. So, as compared to one episode ng isang series, parang parehas lang siya halos.
And Miss Val, addition lang, kasi sa Sokmed, especially sa TikTok, ang mga vertical series ay sobrang pinapirate. So, do you have any parang safeguard in place, you know, to protect your content and also, to protect the artist in sa mga series na lalabas mo or yung movies?
The platform will have safeguards, but at the end of the day, it's beyond our control how the materials are being pirated. Kasi kahit saan naman po sa mundo, ay sobra pong malaganap po yung piracy. But sa platform itself, meron po kami ng mga safeguards katulad ng sa Viva 1 at Viva Max.
That's nice. Congratulations.
Thank you po.
And the next to ask her question is Ms. Tessa. Wish Ariana of the Manila Times.
Ang dami nating hosts today. Congratulations and advance happy anniversary, of course, to the amazing Del Rosarios. I mean, you truly are a blessing to the industry dahil tuloy-tuloy po yung pagbibigay nyo ng trabaho sa napakaraming tao. No? Besides the actors, of course, I think, well, not that it's an easy job, I'm sure, but parang when I think about it, they may have it easier because they'll have a director to help them to adjust into how they will present, no, or how to get into the vertical platform. I'm just wondering po, in terms of the director and then the script writers, dahil kailangan sobrang exciting po, bawat, within a minute or two, and where you cut it, how you do it. I'm just wondering if these screen writers and directors po ay nanggaling po sa existing pool na po ng Viva and pina-train po ba sila, or did you have to also go outside and look for people who have become, experts in this new platform?
Hello. Okay, so sa amin po kasi we're open to all, no, to working with everyone. Yes, we work with people that we worked with before in our platforms then. But we also have a very good in-house production team guiding the directors and writers that we tap for each project. So we use talents from television, from movies, from the ones that we do also sa Viva Max or Viva 1, and then in collaboration with our in-house creatives and producers.
So the learning po for everybody is continuous, no? That's another good thing. So if you could just give us a peek po and discuss siguro at least one of the titles that will be on offer by next week, if I'm correct. Sino po yung title po, yung artista nun, and then maybe the director.
Baka best if I show a trailer.
Sige po.
Can we show Akin Ka Lang, please?
Sino next? Kasi introduce ko Polycarp. I'm so excited. I've never done this before. Si Joe daw. Si Alan. Ikaw naman yung director. Ayan na, welcome. Picture kami. Alam dito ko. Since ako yung may mic, welcome. I'm doing our foray of CD5. Iba-ibang host kasi. Tumigil kami para the Kuyas. Ay, totoo ba siya? Oo. Nabibigay niyo alam sila. Baka... Or maybe we can just show you after. Pero si Boss Val, she'll show us muna in her iPad. Ayun na.
Hindi mo tara inom.
Excited na ako sa mga susunod.
Wrong file po. I can just
Years na po since, obviously lahat po tayo idol natin yung OG na visionary na si Boss Vic. Ano po yung kanyang reaction nung nakita po niya yung una niyang nagawa? And then how was his reaction? I'm just so interested to find out.
parang happy naman.
Happy.
Parang naman. Yeah, parang happy naman.
And kayo pong dalawa, how long do you think, is this a fad? Or do you think that we will have this, kind of entertainment for many years to come na rin po? And it will be a legit form of entertainment na rin po.
Legit na yung, yung vertical viewing. Not only yung ganitong platform, but you look at, Reels, sa Instagram, TikTok, so all patayo, hindi ba yan. So, hindi ko magtatagal. Then yung stickiness nung parang soap. Parang siyang soap, di ba? Itong naabangan mo the next episode, the next chapter. So, I think may mahaba ang shelf life. So, pero yung kanina natanong mo, di ba? Are there enough people that we can use to create? Actually, kung titignan mo yung trabaho sa Viva, if there's content production, or itong movie box, we commit to one original a week. So that's 52 a year. Sa Viva Max, ang commitment is 70 na feature-led na movies. So 70 of 15 to 120. Hindi pa natin bibilangin yung ginagawa ni Valerie para sa Viva 1 na series. 12 to 15 na series naman between 12 to 16 episodes. So, yun, plus yung 15 to 20 na nilalabas namin sa sinihan. Just recently, pasalamat kami sa tulong niyo. We had parang back-to-back na success sa box office with yung dalawang pelikula ni Jason Paul. So, I think it's a good indication na pwede po pala kaming mag-hit and happy kami na itawid. So, all in all, siguro we're spending maybe close to $1 billion a year on all these contents. So it's because Sweet is rolling the dice. Kasama doon, of course, yung pinoproduce for television, Kote Bato, para sa isa't isa. So lahat yun is yung part ng belief niya yung industry is worth betting on and hedging and long-term niya tinitingnan. That's why I continue to try and discover new talents. Bigyan sila ng platform para sumikat, magkaroon ng opportunity mag-break out. And then, pati yung dati na artista, magkaroon ng opportunity na mapansin ulit. And then, of course, yung creative community, the directors, the writers, we all embrace them, whether they're producers in their own right. So, kami, palaging naghahanap ng mga kasama. Kahapon, we went through 6 hours of pitching, listening to probably mga 30 concepts. Isa-isa, napakinggan ni Cosby. In-engage na yung writer, yung director, yung producer. Siyempre lahat maganda. But siyempre, eventually, yung maganda, binabalance namin sa commercial, sa commerce. Will it resonate sa mga tao? Pansin kaya sila. But we're happy providing work. We're happy for being asked to provide for work. Yung marami nagpipitch. We enjoy kami. We find time. So again, to your question, I think ang daming magagaling na writer, na director, mga artista na enjoy kami makatrabaho, mabigyan ng trabaho. So, yun. Yun I think tanong ko, anong parang malaking event ng Viva this anniversary? Siguro yung sagot, every day, every month, meron kaming ginagawa to add fuel to the industry in our small little way.
That's why when people tell you more power to the Del Rosarios, we really truly mean more power. Congratulations
Thank you.
po.
Thank you.
And ang susunod po magtatanong ay...
I love it,
wala
Tessa.
po
Being a moderator.
Kung hindi
A
po...
person for all.
Yes, si Alan Policarpio po ng Inquirer.
Alam mo, medyo inang alam mo, kung 1 million yung nilalabas na magkano yung balik.
Oo, ang ganda.
Pwede po ba yun?
Kung naglabas raw ng 1 billion, magkano raw yun?
Magkano po yung balik?
I think yung sagot doon is, mahirap i-define dahil long tail, kung pelikula ngayon. Sample na lang, our first movie is I Love You, 1981. Up to now, we're monetizing it on whether television, on digital. So, mahaba ang panahon eh. So, I think every movie, regardless if it did well in the box office or did well on streaming, will eventually, as is the way we look at it, will eventually give us a return on the investment or make some profit. So, lagi sinasabi ng father namin, we produce movies pang long tail, pang marathon, hindi yung kita ngayon. So, anti-midnight. So, it's an asset play for us. It's just there.
Nice.
So, my question po is, makikita rin po ba namin yung mga bigger stars nyo venturing then into vertical or more on mga yung para sa mga baguhan to build them up?
Yes po, hindi lang po ito para sa mga baguhan. We have the likes here dun sa first few na mga movies namin. We'll have the likes of sila Raisa Sinon, there's sila Mon Confiado, Luis de los Reyes. Hindi lang po siya sa mga baguhan natin.
Do you think we can also see yung mga hottest love teams natin like Ashpress, Ramgel doing also vertical?
Yes po, eventually. Sana po.
And for you guys, ano po sa tingin niyo yung parang challenge of vertical storytelling naman? Parang pinag-aralan niyo pa siya yung others?
Opo, of course, we prepared for it also, no? But I think yung pinaka-challenge dito is how to keep each episode interesting and how to come up with the best cliffhangers. Kasi if you have like, let's say, 50 to 60 episodes, what would make you want to continue watching yung mga susunod? So dapat, kada episode, kaabang-abang yung bawat ending. So yun yung challenge and masaya para sa amin kasi iba namang klase ng paggawa ng content.
So parang yung style ko dito parang sa mga Chinese microdramas na super over the top yung mga actingan, mga ganun ba yun?
Not necessarily over the top, but medyo soapy siya, but at the heart of it, kwentong Pinoy pa rin. Laging may puso.
Lastly na lang po, how do you see itong mga vertical forms complementing yung mga iba yung output like yung film or yung mga traditional formats?
I think medyo iba siya, no? So it complements by it complements the other kinds of content kasi ibang klaseng form naman siya ng content. Meaning, kung gusto mo ng mabilisan lang na panoorin, dito ka sa Viva Movie Box. Kung medyo may oras ka para manood at gusto mo ng series na medyo bagets, punta ka sa Viva One. Gusto mo naman ng medyo action, pang lalaki, pwede ka sa Viva Max. Gusto mong manood ng pelikula, nood ka sa scene. Parang ganun.
Pero parang naisip ko kasi like may movie, tapos may mga shorter versions pa sila.
Abangan po natin, baka ganyan.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you rin.
Okay, so, sino ba yung namin? So, of course, ang susunod na magtatanong is the iconic TV5 reporter and hot sauce aficionado. Reporter, anchor, and social media star. MJ Marfores.
Ibibigay ko sa kuyong extra.
Bigyan na yan ng vertical.
Grabe naman. Sorry dami ko na nakain. Parang 5 minutes pa ako dito. Pero congratulations sa Greyhound talaga. No, I know you're not gonna release stats. Tama ba ng minamahal? Or can you, ma'am? Stats of the box office because the fans have been asking. Will you be releasing? What's gonna be next for Ashdress? Yung ang modern section iba na move. Ang dami na ng tanong. So yun po. Nakuha mo ba yun? Sorry. First, number 1. Will you be
Ang
releasing?
Viva Movie Box po ay lalabas sa November 10.
Lalabas mo dyan ang minamahal. Viva Vertical.
I think yung in terms of sa box office, obviously happy kami reaction ng mga followers nila. Masaya sila. Sila naman yung parang audience ng unang pelikula nila to be able to give them more than what they got from the Mutya series. Ang problema lang kasi, we don't assign checkers anymore sa mga cinemas. SM reports that, but there are some cinemas 3 weeks na wala pa kami report. So we have a feel of how it will end up. But might not be fair to the cinemas and the movie itself and the stars if we give actual reports now. Delayed yung I think. Parehong pelikula yung pati yung Stella delayed. So, but really I'm happy. We're sure to make money. We're sure that we created new idols, which I guess is more worthwhile for us. And then si Bella and si JC have proven that the partnership is evergreen. Whatever they do, parang become successful. So, we're happy. We're showing everyone.
Everyone knows everyone. October 22.
Next week, sila Alessandra and parang some of the best actors that we have in the industry. So we're excited about that. And naiba naman.
How about for the calendar of the young adult? Ito na, yung mga fandom, which is, of course, yung ang Mutya. They'll be moving December po ba? Tama po ba? Can we announce?
We'll make the formal or official announcement as soon as we're sure, but the target is still to release it this year.
Yeah, nice. And of course, for Viva Movie Box, where do you see this going? Especially trailblazers ng Viva in the entertainment scene. Kumbaga, di ba, hindi kayo tumitigil mag-produce, gumawa ng titles, to bet on new stars, and now we're betting on vertical viewing. Where do you see this going? And what's your commitment to vertical viewing? Kumbaga, walang bibitiw, parang gano'n.
Yes, sabi nga, mahirap bumitaw. Sabi nung Viva Movie Box. But the target is to release one movie every week. Starting November 10. So, like si Boss Vincent mentioned, yung commitment namin sa paggawa ng content ay tuloy-tuloy naman. Upon launch, we'll have 30 foreign titles already available sa platform, and then
30?
30.
Wow!
Tagalize.
A foreign Tagalize. One original.
Every week.
Intense. Thank you. Tita Julie? Yes. The next is the infatigable, iconic, one and only, number 1 source, Mr. Jojo Gabinete. Make or break your career. We love you.
Tanong mo lang, yung mga vertical, saklaw ng MTRC.
I believe pag streaming ko, hindi po ito sa
Tapos sa isang movie, ilang episodes, saka gano'ng matagal ang shoot?
Number of episodes namin will range from, I think, 50, 55 until mga 70. Ganyan. It depends po on the story. Ang shoot po namin, siguro ranging ng 3 to 5 days. Depende po sa number of episodes.
Wow!
Tapos nakita ko, ang dami yung artistang mabibigyan ng trabaho. Hindi lang mga diva stars, no?
Yes, Tito Dre.
May effort na sila Valerie, yung production team na nag-sit up. Kasi kundi parang ulit-ulit yung mga artista. So, ina-avoid nila. And I think maganda in terms of yung viewing experience ng ibang artista, different character. So, lagi may poste, kumuha sila ng mga established artists, inaluan ng mga bago, non-Tigo artists.
Maganda. Thank you.
Thank you po.
Ano si Rez?
Ayun na.
Grabe naman. So you mentioned na yung vertical series, parang mix emotions, medyo soapy siya. Pero is it also mixed ng ibang genres like adult, pwede mo possibly in the future, horror, mga iba-iba?
Yes, we're launching sa ngayon with adult drama, family drama fair na originals. But eventually, you'll see here mga different genres as well. Hopefully horror, malay nyo, action, comedy, pwede fantasy. We're open to all and we will try all. It's a matter of facing it kung kailan namin siya ilalagay.
And then last question, meron na po ba tayong price point as of now? Kung magkano?
Yes. Okay, so price point is we will subscription will be 59 pesos per week. Diba? Not bad.
Per episode. For 30 movies, foreign films.
Yeah, you have that option, no? So, but we start off with 59 pesos per week. If isipin mo yun, that's roughly 8 pesos per day. Watch all you can. Only na yun. Mura lang siya talaga. But eventually, we will launch also yung aming currency. So, in this platform, we will also sell coins. Kung gusto niyo ng tingi-tingi, bili kayo ng coins. Basically, parang gano'n.
And then parang it's in a wallet, you use it as
Yes.
Actually, yung wallet na eventually pa
Sa iba-iba pa naming platform.
Galing.
Thank you.
Ang kwento namin sa more pag ready na siya. But 59 per week, Viva Movie Box po.
And sorry, last na. Pag drop ng title, complete na siyang
Yes po.
okay.
Yes. So you get a few episodes for free, maybe 5 to 7, and then parang gano'n. Yes.
First to sa Philippine entertainment industry.
No,
Yung Vertical.
Signal has launched their Vertical, but it's not a standalone platform. It's embedded in Signal Play. Ito is a standalone platform. You have to download the app, whether on Google or iOS.
So parang first pa rin.
I think standalone.
Na hindi ko
Original.
Hindi mainging signal eh.
Si Engine.
Hindi ka lang mainging vertical na signal.
Hindi. Hindi, totoo naman. Parang mahal, 40 na.
Hindi, nasa loob kasi yung signal.
Pagpasok ka pa isa.
Ano yun yung Loki? Yung Loki nakakulang. Viva One tsaka Signal
Correct.
Play.
Yes po.
Para tulungan.
Okay. Eventually.
Yes, opo. May nakapupunta na rin.
Ubusin mo.
Ay, wait lang din.
Okay na, okay na.
Salamat po.
Picture.
Grabe naman, picture.
Si Andres.
Hindi nga pala, yung pati ano rin, yung bagets na theatrical, musical. Excited din kami. So,
Yes. Grabe, pati musical pinasok mo na.
Question,
Boss.
singit ko kasi you mentioned that after the musical ba, i-remake nyo ang Bagets?
The movie.
Kasi parang duda ng iba, after the musical, magkakaroon ng another
Ang ganda
Bagets.
na may cake.
sa ngayon mo wala naman, walang plan, pero laging yung IP naman, nandyan lang eh. So, pwedeng i-activate kung sakali. May need na gawin. That's very interesting na ma-remake. Ang hirap lang kasi parang you cannot outdo na sila aga, sila better na i-deliver na. Kasi itong naalala mo, no, after ng Bagat, nagkaroon ng part 2, hindi na rin eh.
Pero marami excited with Andres and Ina.
Oh, yes, yes.
Pati super. Paano nyo pala nakuha si Katie? Paano nyo na?
Ay, nag-audition siya. So, marami ng, I think 500 ng mga guys nag-audition. audition lumutang siya.
May plan din po kayo na itang yung mga global audience?
Yes, next year, sometime next year, early next year, I think Q1, mag-launch na yung international natin. So ngayon, Philippines muna, until mga end of the year, hopefully Jan or Feb, open na tayo worldwide. Thank you po.
Thank you everyone. One picture.